At the foot of the Sierra Calderona, in one of the best residentials in Valencia, is this beautiful villa with privileged views. The property has 369 square metres divided into 2 floors and has a swimming pool, terrace and barbecue area. On the main floor there is a living dining room open to the kitchen, a full bathroom, an office with access to the terrace and a bedroom. The sleeping area on the upper floor has 3 double bedrooms with wardrobes, heating and air conditioning, as well as the ensuite master bedroom with jacuzzi and dressing room. All the rooms on both floors have access to the terraces, from where you can enjoy unbeatable views. For more information, please contact Pineda Luxury.